Open Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down to the General section and tap on Account and Device Preferences. Here you'll find an option that says Clear Search History. Go ahead and tap on that. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to clear your search history. Just tap Clear History and you're all set. And that's it. You successfully cleared your Google Play Store search history